We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back in another day of my life. Today is Wednesday, it is 11:50 in the morning. I'm doing my skincare now because I just woke up 15 minutes ago. So yeah. Okay, this is my makeup of today. I actually really want to wear eyeshadow, but I have eczema on this side of my face. Just like really near my eyes. So if I wear it, I will just look like a clown. Yeah, too bad, but that's life. No, I'm just trying to curl my hair, but my hair is too oily. I actually have to wash my hair, but I don't have any time in the morning, so I think I have to deal with it. Okay. I always wonder how people can curl their hair so pretty, because when I curl, I will get this, just like this. And I don't know how to fix it. Okay, I think I would just go with this. My hair look of today. Okay then, this is my outfit of today. I have a white top and a white, how do you call this? Sweater? Okay. And a ripped jeans from the Uniqlo. It's so pretty. I bought this a couple days ago. Okay, should I take this one or this one? I think I'll take this one because it just fits a lot more things. Don't forget lip gloss and sunscreen. Put it here. Yeah. I changed my earrings to these cute little butterfly earrings. Look how cute and elegant. Okay, I'm so sorry for the light in my room because my windows are facing to the north side of the Netherlands, so there won't be any direct sunlight here. So yeah, but these are the little cute earrings. I really liked it. Okay, I'm checking what time my train will come, or tram or buses, but I think I can take this one, 12:09. Okay, let's go. Get this. I hope it's not too cold outside because it's very windy outside, so yeah. Oh, it's not that cold at all. I'm almost at the train station. I only have to walk for 5 minutes. I have to check if I have enough money or not on my train card. I still have 5 minutes, so yeah. I still find it a little bit awkward to film in public, but I will just take it as a challenge and just go for it, okay?
Since I was born, been a spring flower's daughter. Hibernate till it's warm and the snow melts into water. But here comes a change, I can feel it inside. I see sun in the cloudless sky, so I open my windows and breathe in the breeze of March dancing on my skin. Suddenly I have a reason to come alive with the season. Calls me again, spring awake.
Now I'm looking for the place where the tripods are, but I don't know where it is. Ooh, found it. But I need a tripod, a small tripod. Okay, no. Okay, I found this one, but I don't know what to think about this. I just can't walk around with this green thing. Okay, they don't have what I was looking for, so too bad. Yeah. I really have to find some place to sit and eat something, but it's so hard to find a place to eat in Amsterdam.
The songs of birds in the trees whisper of new beginnings.
Okay, I hope they had tripods here, which I was looking for, but I don't know.
Open my windows and breathe in the breeze of March dancing on my skin. Suddenly I have a reason to come alive with the season calls me again. Spring
I can't spend any more money of myself, so I won't buy it. Okay, I'm giving up for looking for a tripod, and now I'm going to find a place to eat, and hopefully I will find one because it's really difficult to find some place to sit here. So yeah, wish me luck. Idea for lunch. I'm going to buy my drinks in the supermarket, and then I will go to a place where I really want to go back again. Okay, my idea for lunch is I want to go to dumplings. That is here. It's like a 26-minute walk, and I'm here right now, so I gotta walk from here to here. Today is also pretty nice, so I don't mind walking for 20 minutes. If you're not like in the center of Amsterdam, it's pretty quiet, and I really like that. Those lampposts here in Amsterdam are so cute. It just gives me a Narnia vibe. We are. Ooh, it's a little bit busy though. Yeah. I have ordered a authentic Chinese crab with duck, and I'm really excited to eat it because it just looks so good on the photos. So. Wow, look at the crab! My God. Wow. It is so delicious. Oh my God. Okay, right on time for the tram. Yeah.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friend.
I'm home, and now I'm headed to the third floor because I have to pick up a package. It is this way, but I'm not sure. Okay, here it is. My package. Okay, let's go. I throw everything on the ground, but I have an unboxing for you guys. Okay, I'm so excited. Look at us! Wow. So we're gonna have to take everything. First, we have a spatula. Do you pronounce this like that? Spatula? Okay, mascara remover. This is why I need a tripod, but I couldn't find one. And now I have to use my bugs. Okay guys, I'm so stupid again. I was just trying out this and I want to film it. I filmed it. I just recorded in slow motion. But this is the result. With this, my skin tone really looks more even. But I don't know, is it too white or is this okay? Because in reality, it is okay. But I don't know if it is too much on camera. Yeah, I don't know. Is this me in the mirror? I can't tell. Maybe I just need someone. I need someone to sit next to me and then tell me that I look pretty or not. I thought it looks too white on my face until I put on my glasses. And then I look at it in the mirror again. And I was like, oh, it's pretty okay. Okay, I tied up my hair. I actually don't like to tie up my hair because I just think it don't look good on me because look at my face. So sad. But it is easier to work. Time to take those trash to the trash can. Yep. More. Got it. Slow. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, I really don't like to touch any trash can. It's like this. Walk by my kitchen and I have to clean this up. I'm going to take a quick shower, so see you about 10 minutes. Okay, that was absolutely not a quick shower, but okay. I'm here. But my hair isn't greasy anymore, so yeah, happy about that. Now I'm going to moisturize my face because my eczema is very dry, especially when I come out from showering or just if it gets wet, it will get really dry. I don't know why, but it's just eczema and can't do anything about it. It is time to try this out. I'm so curious. This is how it looks like. Oh! Ooh, now I don't have to just rub my eyes with the whole pad. It is time to make some coffee because I haven't had coffee yet. And I kind of addicted to coffee because if I don't drink coffee in a day, I will just get headache or something like that. And after drinking coffee, my headache is just like gone. So this is how broke student make coffee. Just any instant coffee is fine. Just 1 spoon, kind of 1 spoon. And sugar. A little bit more. Yeah.
Think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me